Germano, and today I would be speaking about how to spend your time when you're like lonely and you want to take up some hobby. So this would be a nice video, I feel. I'd like to share with you, learners. So here goes. So one of the hobbies that you could take up is like solving Rubik's cubes. Okay, so you solve the Rubik's cubes, which come in various shapes and sizes. So you have a 3x3 Rubik's cube, you have a 5x5, a mirror Rubik's cube, and also the octal Rubik's cube and the pyramid Rubik's cube. Okay, this is one hobby you can take up. Also you can take up hobbies of planting, plants in bottles that you have drunk from the last night. Also you can play cards, as everyone knows. You can also start a painting, something like this. Carom, football, play some guitar, and there are many more things. You can have these bottles decorated in this manner as well. Also there is chess. For those who don't like chess, they can play a loser's game, which you need to lose the game to win, okay, against your opponent. So that's a nice game for people who don't like chess and like it to end sooner, like it gets over within 5 minutes. So that's pretty cool for a chess game. Watching the video and be happy. Thank you.